In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Developer Console on Steam. This quick tweak adds a console tab to your Steam client, letting you enter commands and view debug output for troubleshooting and advanced features. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is clear and safe to do. Start by closing Steam completely. Click the Steam menu in the top left of the client and choose Exit. Take a moment to confirm it's not still running in the background. Look at your system tray near the clock. If you see the Steam icon there, right-click it and choose Exit. If you're unsure, you can also check your task manager and make sure Steam isn't listed. Next, find the Steam shortcut you actually used to launch the app. That might be on your desktop, or it could be the icon pinned to your taskbar. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. If you're using a taskbar pin, you may need to right-click the icon, then right-click the Steam entry from the jump list, and choose Properties from there. It's important to edit the shortcut you'll be launching from, or the change won't take effect. In the Properties window, look for the target field. This shows the path to Steam's executable file, usually ending in steam.exe. Don't delete or alter the existing path. If it's wrapped in quotes, leave those quotes exactly as they are. Move your cursor to the very end of the target field. After the closing quote, if there is one, add a space, then type dev console. Make sure there's a space before dev, and another space between dev and console. If your path is coded, it should look like this conceptually: steam.exe, dev console. The flags must be outside the quotes to work correctly. Click Apply, then OK to save and close the Properties window. Now relaunch Steam by double-clicking that same modified shortcut. If you start Steam from a different location, the parameters won't be used, so stick to the shortcut you just edited. When Steam opens, you should see a new console tab at the top of the window. Open it to type commands and view debug output. If the tab isn't there, go back to the shortcut and double-check your spacing and that the parameters are outside any quotes. If you ever want to undo this change, simply return to the target field, remove the dev console flags, click Apply, and restart Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.